AI is moving faster than most people realize. Every year, new tools appear, workflows shift, and entire industries quietly change, often without any big announcement. One day, tasks that used to take hours suddenly take minutes, and the people who adapt early don't usually make noise about it. They don't announce it on social media, they don't argue about it online. They simply work faster, think clearer, and move ahead while everyone else wonders how they're doing so much with so little effort. That's what this video is about. In this video, I'm breaking down 7 AI tools that are already reshaping how people write, create, communicate, and automate work. These aren't futuristic concepts. These aren't maybe someday tools. These are tools people are using right now to gain leverage. This is Future AI Toolbox Daily. No hype, no fluff, just tools that actually work. Let's start with the one almost everyone has heard of, and almost everyone uses wrong. The first tool is ChatGPT. Most people treat ChatGPT like a writing machine. They open it, ask it to write an essay, a caption, or an email, copy the output, and move on. And when the result feels generic, they assume the tool is overrated. That's the mistake. The real power of ChatGPT isn't writing, it's clarity. ChatGPT works best as a thinking partner. It helps you organize ideas, clean up messy thoughts, and move from confusion to direction faster than doing it alone. It's not meant to replace your judgment, it's meant to support it. Instead of asking it to write a full script, ask it to help structure your ideas, ask for outlines, ask for better hooks. Ask it to rewrite something you already wrote so it's clearer and more direct. When you use it this way, your content still sounds like you, just sharper, more focused, and easier to follow. The people who get the most value from ChatGPT aren't copying outputs, they're guiding the process. The second tool is Hype Fury. One of the biggest reasons people fail online isn't lack of talent, it's lack of consistency. Growth comes from showing up regularly, but showing up regularly is also what burns people out. Most people don't stop because they run out of ideas. They stop because starting from scratch every day is exhausting. Hypefury helps solve that problem by turning one idea into multiple posts. Instead of reinventing the wheel every time you sit down to create, you build momentum from what you already have. This matters because consistency beats perfection every single time. Audiences trust familiar voices, algorithms reward regular output, and AI tools like this don't make you viral, they make it easier to keep going. The third tool is Opus Clip. If you create long form content and only post it once, you're leaving value on the table. Opus Clip takes a long video and automatically finds the strongest moments, then turns them into short form clips. This changes the math of content creation completely. Instead of constantly producing new material, you're extracting more value from work you've already done. One long video can become multiple shorts, reels, or TikToks without extra editing. This is how creators scale without burning out. Work once, post everywhere. The fourth tool is Midjourney. Design used to be a bottleneck. You either needed time, money, or specialized skills. Now you can generate visuals simply by describing what you want. People use tools like this for thumbnails, social media graphics, product mockups, and branding ideas. Instead of staring at a blank canvas, you start with something concrete in seconds. The biggest mistake people make with image generation is overcomplicating prompts. Short, clear descriptions usually produce better results than long technical ones. AI doesn't reward clever wording, it rewards clarity. The fifth tool is where things start to feel different. This is relevance AI. This isn't just automation, this is delegation. Instead of running one command at a time, you can create AI agents that handle tasks in the background. People are using this to manage emails, customer support, internal workflows, and repetitive business processes. This isn't about saving a few minutes here and there. It's about removing entire chunks of work from your plate. This is the direction AI is moving. Away from tools you babysit and towards systems that work for you quietly in the background. The sixth tool is 11 Labs. Audio quality is one of the fastest ways to improve content, and it's also one of the most ignored. People will forgive imperfect visuals, they won't forgive bad audio. 11 Labs allows you to generate clean, professional sounding voiceovers without expensive equipment. This is especially powerful for faceless channels, where voice carries most of the trust. Clear audio keeps people listening longer, and attention is everything. The final tool is Zapier. Zapier connects everything together. It allows one action to trigger another automatically across different tools and platforms. This matters because the future of AI isn't about using one tool at a time. It's about systems. When your tools talk to each other, your work becomes smoother, faster, and easier to scale. This is where AI stops feeling like a novelty and starts feeling like infrastructure. Here's the truth most people won't tell you: AI won't replace you, but people who know how to use AI will. Learning these tools doesn't make you special, it makes you prepared. And preparation compounds faster than talent ever will. If you want AI tools explained simply and honestly, follow Future AI Toolbox daily. This channel exists to help you stay ahead without wasting time chasing tools that don't matter. See you in the future. Before we wrap up, there's one more thing that matters more than any single AI tool, and that's how you actually use them together. Most people collect tools. They bookmark them, sign up for trials, and then never build anything meaningful with them. That's why AI feels overwhelming instead of empowering. The real advantage comes when tools become part of a system, when one action leads naturally into the next without you having to think about it. For example, an idea starts in ChatGPT. That idea becomes a script. That script becomes a long video. That video becomes short clips. Those clips get scheduled automatically. None of those steps are revolutionary on their own. The power's in how they connect. This is why people who understand AI systems quietly outperform people who just try new tools. They're not faster because they're smarter. They're faster because they remove friction. And this is where AI stops being interesting and starts being useful. If you're just getting started, don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one tool, use it until it feels boring, then add the next one. That's how real leverage is built: slowly, intentionally, and consistently. This channel exists to help you do exactly that, to understand which tools matter, how they fit together, and how to use them without burning out. If you want to stay ahead without chasing every trend, you're in the right place. I'll see you in the next one.